Good morning, everybody. This is your tropical update from Blue Weather. If you like weather related information, please like and subscribe below. Alright, guys, this is your 6 a.m. update for Monday, July 27th. This is your model track guidance. As you can see, most of them brings them Invest 92L right above the islands and turns it towards the United States. Question of it is, when does it turn? How much does it turn? How much impact does it have? Will it have a direct impact? Let's get into some of the data this morning on the models. Now this is the GSF ensembles. The dark black line is the GSF operational model that runs every 6 hours. So you can see that it turns and really don't have much of an impact on the coast. But one thing you need to know about the GSF models, when you're over 5 days out, it often overdoes the upper level trough. So if you have a strong upper level trough, it will push these hurricanes out to sea. But GSF has a history of often overdoing the upper level troughs. But even if you notice something here on the far left side of these tracks, even with an overdone upper level trough, it still has a pretty close impact to like Outer Banks. So on some of the runs that it did. But just to keep that in mind, that it often overdoes that. This is the GSF parallel model, which is a better model than what the GSF is. It shows a strong category 3 going all the way up against Outer Banks, then turning. So it'd be dangerously close to Outer Banks if that would happen, and obviously a major hurricane or first major hurricane if that is the case. This here is the Canadian model. It does a similar thing to what the parallel model does, maybe slightly a little bit further out to sea, less impact, smaller storm, probably more like a category 1, but nevertheless a similar scenario. This is the Navy model, and this is as far out as it goes at 180 hours, which is the first part of the week on August 3rd, and it has it further west than what the other ones does, and it also shows it possibly being a category 3 system. So like I said, if it would go in as far as this right here, you would have a good portion of North Carolina get affected by this possible hurricane. Right now, it's way too early to tell. We'll have to follow the model runs and see what everything works out. Make sure that what you follow, though, as far as how you prepare, though, is your National Hurricane Center. Really pay attention to what those guys are. True professionals that run airplanes through the systems. So don't just listen to anybody. I'm sure any of you guys along the coast have dealt with this before, but again, I'll be here helping you monitor what the models are saying to keep you updated. Right now, this thing is still just a tropical system. It's not even a tropical storm yet. So, but within the next 48 hours, it's forecasted to be. All right, keep it tuned here. You guys have a good one.